First, create your list. Open your list and click Settings. Make sure Verified List and Guide is selected, and make sure Show Visualize Route is selected, and save settings. Then, open the screen recording tool of your choice. I like to use Screen Studio or Vimeo Record. Screen Studio creates a higher quality screen recording. Then, click Visualize Route to play the automation while you are recording your screen. Then, open that animation in your preferred video editor tool and slice it at each stop. Add in clips for each location and finish editing your video.